Welcome to the channel, everybody. So today we'll be doing a quick shakedown of this drift bike we built on the channel. I'll leave a link down in the description below so you can check that out. So we're gonna get this thing running and we're gonna see what we can come up with. First things up is, now that we've done an upgrade on this thing recently, I've put a bigger, more beefier axle on the back of it. The first test we're gonna do is, does it actually run and drive? So we're gonna get this thing running and see how it does. Second up on the list of things we're gonna check today is, does this bike actually drift? So we're gonna see how this thing handles with the wider axle on it.
Bro! Oh my god, bro.
So fun.
I love it.
It's looking so smooth. Try to like really slide it, maybe. He makes it look so easy, I almost want to try it.
Dude.
Third thing on the list, now this is important to me, and I really wanted this thing to actually do donuts. So the previous time around I had trouble with getting it to stay on track, so we're going to try it again with this. And I think one of the holdups we're going to have with this bike is the weak brake on the front of it. It really is going to need a strong brake, so we may have to upgrade that in the future. So we're going to get this thing back out again, and we're going to see if I can get this thing doing full donuts.
Honestly, if you'd done it first try, I would have been left. Yes, dude! So sick!
Oh yeah, he's using his foot for the brake.
Dude, let's go! Yes!
Oh! Dude!
All right, last up, this thing is fun. This thing is doing what I asked it to do. So can I have fun and while horsing around with this bike? So we'll see what we can come up with.
That was so close.
I gotta need to do it again.
Yeah! Count it! That was the best one. Let's go. Oh!
That's it. That's what we're going for. All right, so there you have it. This thing drifts, it runs and drives, it does full donuts, and it's a blast. So thanks again for watching, guys, and join me for the next build. Thanks for watching.